Hi, it's Steve with Mesa Properties, and if you're watching this video, you probably had placed a service call request because one of your electrical outlets has gone dead. And what I'm going to do is show you how to fix that. In many of the newer homes today, they've included what's called a GFI, a ground fault interrupter switch, which is almost a sub-panel to your main panel for your electrical supply. And what happens is, if you have a GFI outlet, you're going to see an outlet that looks like this, and there is a reset and a set button, and one of those got tripped. Maybe this has a short in it, so you plug it in, and this outlet goes out, but not only this outlet, but all of the outlets that are daisy chained to this. So for instance, this will blow, and then if you come over here, this one will blow. Now you'll notice that this has a GFCI, whatever that says, protect outlet, so that you know it is. Most houses are not going to have this. So you're simply going to have, you're going to try and plug your coffee pot in here, you're going to have a dead outlet. So the best thing to do is, once you have a problem, make sure, first of all, that all of the switches are good on your electrical panel. But after that, go through and reset all of your all of your GFI outlets, and make sure that they've been properly reset as well. And then just plug something in and see if it works after that. If you still have a problem, give us a call and we're happy to help you out. Thanks.